What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog and a cat.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading books.
Where do you work?
I work in a software company.
What is your favorite season of the year?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I love to cook.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
How do you get to school?
I usually take the bus to school.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Can you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball.
Do you like watching TV shows?
Yes, I enjoy watching TV shows.
What do you do on weekends?
I usually relax and spend time with my family.
How many siblings do you have?
I have two siblings, a brother and a sister.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dolphin.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have eggs and toast for breakfast.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel and explore new places.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Do you enjoy drawing or painting?
Yes, I like both drawing and painting.
Where is your dream vacation destination?
My dream vacation destination is Japan.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
What is your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is history.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to read, exercise, and hang out with friends.
What is your favorite type of music?
My favorite type of music is rock.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am a morning person.
What is your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day of the week is Saturday.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I enjoy gardening.
How do you spend your holidays?
I spend my holidays with family and friends.
What's your favorite way to relax?
My favorite way to relax is by reading a book.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I have a best friend.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is lemonade.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love going to the beach.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action and comedy movies.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you like playing video games?
Yes, I enjoy playing video games.
What languages can you speak?
I can speak English and Spanish.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is broccoli.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you have a bicycle?
Yes, I have a bicycle.
What do you like to do in the summer?
I like to swim and go on picnics in the summer.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I love sunny weather.
Do you like reading books or watching movies?
I like both, but I prefer reading books.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive a car.
What's your favorite place in your city?
My favorite place is the local park.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I love learning new things.